Welcome to the Amazing Car News channel.
For those who don't mind sacrificing some everyday usability in exchange for a car that performs like a beast on the track, BMW's new 2023 M4 CSL is the perfect choice. With a name like Competition Sports Lightweight, you know this isn't just a marketing ploy. It's also clear that this vehicle isn't going to be for everyone. The CSL is driven by the same 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six that powers the M4 Competition, but its peak turbo boost has been up from 24.7 pounds per square inch to 30.5 pounds per square inch, a 24% increase in peak pressure. In addition to the additional power, the dual-circuit cooling system has been updated to handle the demands of track use. There are 543 horsepower, which is an increase of 40 horsepower above the competition, and a maximum power output of 6,250 revolutions per minute. Even though maximum torque has been maintained at 479 pound-feet, this implies that an 8-speed manual transmission and driveline from a competition model can be utilized as before. The engine and transmission mounts have been significantly strengthened, and the shift locations have been tuned for performance. Cabin vibration is very certainly going to grow as a result of the reduced slack and windup in the power delivery. The weight loss of 240 pounds magnifies the effects of this additional power. When it comes to horsepower, the M4 Competition has 7.7 pounds per horsepower, but the CSL has 6.7 pounds per horsepower. In comparison to the competition, BMW claims that it will reach 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds, but we believe it will do much better. For a total weight savings of 46 pounds, the CSL ditches the back seat and the seat belts. If you want to add 32 pounds back to the weight of the car's carbon front buckets, then you'll need to get the seat-adjustable carbon seats. The use of lightweight sound insulation, and maybe less of it, could result in an additional 33 pounds in savings in some locations. The center console is made of carbon fiber reinforced plastic, CFRP, which saves 9 pounds. 9 pounds have been
Thanks for watching.